what's this? So many tiny, colourful blocks. Souso's golden eyes sparkle, tail twitching with curiosity. She takes one cautious step. Tap! Clack! Oh no. They're falling, all of them. Rows and rows of dominoes tumble like a wave. Her eyes widen, half scared, half amazed. Then silence! Souso looks around. The room is filled with colour and patterns made by the fallen dominoes. She tilts her head, ears perked. Mororo! Did I make this beautiful thing? The girl enters, stops for a moment, then laughs softly. Souso! You started the chain, but look how pretty it is. She kneels beside Souso, stroking her fur. See? Small actions can make big effects. Souso purrs proudly, her golden eyes glowing in the light. Sometimes one tiny paw can start something amazing.